Hey Ryan, this is Ali, and this video is a part of generic sensors on port 1, port 2, and port 3. So we have a project RMI test 3 sensors, and there are two sensors which are installed, belongs to generic sensors. So first of all, I will show you the project. So this is the project which have some generic sensor on. So on port 1 it has a pressure sensor uh, which belongs to other 420 mA sensor. So on port 1 against that sensor the chart must be min max. We use the ORP position 1 value as a minimum value and ORP position 2 value as a maximum value for those charts. Okay, so the serial number which is associated to that generic sensor is SN224. For now there is no data against the SN224 for the ORP position 1 and 2. That's why for testing purpose I just use the SN300 data to just show you how the chart looks like when there is a generic sensor on the port 1. On port 2 there is also another generic sensor with, and the sensor type is conductivity. That sensor unit is US or centimeter. On port 3 there is a ORP sensor, and so when we filter out RMI test 3 sensor and open the project model, and there are must be a 4 sensor tabs. One is for flow meter and another one. So here you can see that the first one is flow meter, the second one is pressure, which is on port 1, which is the other generic sensor type, and that is on port 1. So when you click on it, it will go and fetch all the data for SN300, because we have no data against SN224. That's why I use the SN300 data as a testing purpose. But when it is on staging, then there must be a data again for the SN224. So this is the min max chart for port 1. So the maximum value must be as a blue dots, and the minimum value are in the yellow dot. So here is the this is the sensor type, and this is the unit for the other generic sensor type. So again I will tell you that we use the ORP position 1 value as a minimum value and ORP position 2 value as a maximum value for min max chart. So on port 2 we have also a generic sensor, and because this is installed on the port 2, so we use the air reading ORP air reading logic. So when you click on it, it will go and fetch all the ORP related data for air readings and build the chart. So there are two types. One is the single reading, then the other one is average of 8 reading. If there is a single value, then it is a hollow black dot. You click on it, it will go and expand. Here the unit is updated, then the chart type and the unit is there. So this is the way for plotting the generic sensor on port 2, 3 or 1. So I will push these changes on staging, so you can verify it on your site. But keep in mind, Ryan, you cannot see any data against the pressure, because there is no data against SN224 for ORP on staging. So you just see the message no data available. This is just a testing purpose. I use the data for SN300. So kindly give your feedback on it, and I am waiting for it. Thank you.